Okay guys, we're in Burlington and they have this bag here, this guest bag, and this is for $34.99. It has a chain handle. Then behind it they have this one here, and this is by thank you mom, this is for $16.99. Looks like that. Then you have this little one right here. This is so cute. I think this is one of those vegan bags. Let me see. Yep, and this is for $19.99. It's a little cute bag. I can see a little girl having that. Oh, look at this beauty right here. This is real nice. This is $24.99. It's heavy and it has a chain. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, but I love, it's like stones. Hope my camera is doing it justice, but this is really beautiful. I like that. And then you have this here. This is 9 West, and this is for $12.99. And then if you feel like going on the islands, hanging out on the beach, you have this bag here, and this is for $14.99. That's a smaller one. And then you have the bigger one right here, and this is by Enzo Angelini. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is for $16.99 for the bigger one, $14.99 for the small one. And I'm seeing a lot of these vegan bags. Here's another one. This is for $19.99, and it looks like that front and back. You have this another no, this is by Isabella, and it looks like that. This is for $16.99, and it looks like that. So those are real cute. Those are the cute bags. Another